Cleaning service providers manage crews across various client sites and shifts. Accurate timekeeping and proof of service are essential to retain clients and reduce disputes. Fareclock helps your cleaning teams organized, compliant, and accountable. Confirm workers are at the correct client site when clocking in. Provide flexibility to punch in from a shared tablet at client premises or through mobile phones. Allow workers to log completed tasks, issues found, or supplies used during the shift. Avoid missed shifts with automated alerts. Monitor time spent at each client location for billing and performance analysis. Review weekly hours per site, per worker for payroll and compliance.